Hi guys, another one of those 3D wooden kits. Now if you've watched my channel for quite a while, you may have seen me do one of these before. For some reason or other, since doing that one a few years ago I think, I've picked up 2 more of these kits. When I see them in charity shops cheap, I just can't resist buying them. But I really don't need 3 of the same. This particular one I'm going to build now simply because when I picked it up it was in a plastic bag. It didn't have the proper original cover on it. So it needs doing just to stop it losing the bits and pieces, getting lost. I can see, I'm just flicking through it there, and somebody has done what I do, which is starting writing the numbers on the pieces. I do that so you can find them easily. I haven't done all the boards, I've only done just that one. Oh well. So yeah, I'm going to build it now. I'm in 2 minds about the 3rd kit. I might actually offer it as a giveaway at some time. So have a look in the video description. If I've decided to do a giveaway, then there'll be details down there. Yeah, I'm not sure. I might well, as I say, do it as a giveaway. Right, so if you've never seen one of these before, all the pieces are numbered, and what you do is you find the numbers that go together. So if we just look at this quickly, see if we can find number 1, that's a good example. There's a number 1. So you then find another number 1 and you stick the 2 pieces together. Which is a good reason for writing all the piece numbers on there, like that, because then you can find them quickly, because it means you've gone through all of them and written the numbers on, so you've seen all of them at least once. I might do that. I might go and get my pencil and write it on there, because at this moment I'm not seeing the other number 1. There we are, 1, 2. So number 1 there, where it's numbered, will go into that slot, number 1 there. Right, I'll go and get a pencil and I'll number them all up. Right, well that's almost it. I've got a bit of gluing to do. Got to replace these bits that I had to pull off this side. So I'll do that and then we'll be finished. All finished. So we have rotating turret, barrel going up and down, machine gun, a couple of hatches, another hatch, and underneath the escape hatch as well. And that's it. Finished. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.